Hello everyone, welcome to our new Linux episode. In this video, we will together try to find out how we can set permission attributes to files and folders. So, what we have to know about setting setting permissions to files and folders in Linux is something very good and is also something for security. So you have to know, like in Linux, you can control file access through permissions, attributes, and ownership. This ensures that only authorized users and processes can read, modify, or execute files and directories. Before going further, let us explain the basic Linux permissions model. But before I have to open the machine, so I go VMware Workstation and open our Kali machine Linux. So power on. So as I said, we have to know we have what we call a basic Linux permission model. So every file and directories or folders in Linux has an owner and a group and is assigned permission access right for three different classes of users. We have first the owner. What is the owner? Is the user who owns the file. The group, the group is the users in the files group, and the others is everyone else. So here now we will try to find out how we can set files, permission on files and folders. So the first method that we will use is like file modes in binary and octal. So how we can use the files modes as binary and octal. And then after, I will show you also how you can set file permission in symbolic notation. And also, the last one we will see together how we can set in file mode with the graphical user interface. So let's start the work and welcome to everyone. Okay, so here I will open Kali. Okay, and from here now, I have to open the terminal. I have to open the terminal. I open the terminal. Okay, so what we will do now, for the file mode in binary and octal, I will try first to see what we have here. Uh, ls. So first, what we have to do, we will try first to create like a file and also try to edit the file. So we can try to edit, put something inside. So what we have to do here, so first we have to create the files. So we have to use touch file one and then enter. And from here we can list to see the file permission. So here we see the file permission for this one. We see here the file permission for the F1 file. So we see here like uh, here we see here uh, like it is a file, the first dash as we said before, and also we have the permission for this file. So the first three one is for the user or owner, and also the second one, the second one, these three is for the group, and the last one, the three last one is for the three last one is for the others or everyone else. So what we'll do now, from here now, we will use like the command chmod. Chmod is the command, change mode is the command that we should use in order to change permissions in files and folders. So now we are dealing with the file, and then later if we finish, we will see together also for the folder. Okay. Here now what we will do. So here you have to know uh, we have what we called like read permission, write permission, and execute permission. They have what we call numbers because we are dealing with binary and octal. So coming for the read, uh, let's me open the the note here. So control. So you have to know for the right one, right is equal to R is equal also to 4. So read also, read also, read is equal to R, the symbol is equal also to 2. And also we have to know like execute is like execute is equal to x and is also equal to 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1. So now from here, if you want like give the user like or the owner the permission, all permission for the file, so he can like have he can have like uh, a full control of the file permission. So it's look like you should like only write 7 because it's 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So that's mean like the owner or the user has the right permission, the full right permission. So he can do everything what he wants with the file. He can edit the file, he can delete the file, and he can also execute the file. So he can remove it also. So what we can do now. So from here now, like we can use like chmod, the command, and also we use like 777 for the file and the file name fa. So that's mean in this situation like this file one we will give it like for the owner full permission 7, the first 7, and the group full permission, the second 7, and the third 7 is represent like for the others or everyone. It's look like for these also they have full permission. So they can do everything what they want for the file. Okay, now we hit enter. And if after we go like for this option to see the permission, you see here they have full permission. So for this file, the we have like for the user or owner, the read and write permission and execute permission. So it's look like we have like something like chmod, something chmod. Let's open the note. So it's look like we have for the owner equal to user also is equal to write permission. They have a write permission. They have a read permission. Read permission. We said is 4. Read permission is 4. So they have read permission 4 plus write permission is W, write permission is 2, and execute permission is 1. So 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. So they have 7. And also for the group, they have also the same permissions. So like they have 4 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 7. And also for the others or everyone else, they they have also 7. So that's mean we have 7, 7, 7. And now for this situation, in this situation, uh, they are able to manipulate the file to do whatever they want with the file. Okay, let's take another example for setting the mode in binary and octal with the files right now. Okay, for this one also, we can take another one. Maybe here now we will like remove all permissions for the files. That's mean if we remove the permission for the file, and the user will be not able like to do nothing, and also the group will be not have the permission to do nothing, and also like the others they will be not have the permission to do nothing. So only for the super user can do something. Okay, so here, for example, let's try to edit something inside the file. So, here I use Vim. I write like something inside. I love football. I love football. Okay, I try to uh, okay to save it. Okay, now I write something inside the file and I save it. So from here now, what we will do? From here now, I will try to remove the permissions for the file one. So because now here we have full permissions, look at like the color is changing already. Is now you see, it's looking like something like green. So before you see, before we give the permission, it is white. Okay. Now from here, what we will do? From here now, I will try to remove all the permissions. So I use chmod, uh, like user no permission for read, write, execute is 0 plus 0 plus 0. So the group also no permission for read, for write, and for execute is also 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. So also the others the same. So after we write the name of the file. So if after we hit enter, we go like now, ls, we list, we see here now, we remove all the permissions. Look at now, we don't have nothing here. We remove all the permissions. We remove all the permissions. You see the line is here now. We don't have any permission. So now here, if we try like to cut to see what is inside the file, if we try, normally we will be not able to open it because the permission is denied, will be denied. Okay. Now let's try to cut it. So you see the permission is denied. We cannot open it right now. So if we try also to remove it, without any option, remove, you see, they said like remove write protected regular file. So the remove is protected. The write protected is setting up for the remove permission. So we don't have permission to remove. And now here, if like we use the option R, F1, R, we will try to see. And here also we cannot remove it because we are not a super user. If we will try now to force it to see if to combine the option force, recursive and force. And now here, normally we are able to remove it. However, we don't have any permission. We can force and remove it. Normally, if you go ls, we see we remove the file. Okay. But okay, let's try also to create it again and setting up full permission. to try to see something here. Full permission like 7 F1. So now ls. Okay, now we are creating it also. We are giving all the permission that we need. So now from here also what we will do, we will try also to take another example. So here ch mode. So ch mode. We will try here now. I open the notes. So I open the note. So I will delete this one. So from here now, what we will do? From here now, I will try now to. I will try now to give the user like not to not giving the user the permission to write. So the user don't have the permission to write. So that's mean don't have permission to write is to write okay is zero. And also don't have the permission. They have only the permission to write. No, don't have permission to read is zero. Have permission to write. Has permission to write is two plus two. And also have permission to execute is plus one. So that is equal to three. So is three is for the user. So for the user. Okay, let's give us also for the group. The group also we will see. We will say like the group have only the permission to write. The group has permission to write. So the group has permission to write. So it's mean like is four because write permission is four plus they don't have the user have only the permission to for the group. The group has permission only to read is four. So they don't have permission to write and to execute. So 0 plus 0 plus 0. And also we will give like for the orders, the orders. So the orders we will see they have full control. So they can read, write, and execute. So is 7. Is they can read, write, and execute. Is like read uh, plus write and plus execute. So that is 7. So what we will have here? So here we will have equal to 4. 4. Here we have equal to 7. So from here we have 347. So we come on the terminal. We write like ch mode and also is 347, 347, 347, 347, uh, no, name of the file, so F1, and also we hit enter. So if now we try to list it, we should open the note. We said like the user has permission only to write and to execute. So the group has permission to read, no permission to write, and no permission to execute. So the others has permission, has full permission, read, write, and execute. So from here now, if you go like ls, you try to get information, you see from here. So here we have like the first three one. Look at here what we have here. The first three one. So that's mean here in this position, like the user doesn't have the permission to execute. To execute. doesn't has permission to execute, to write, to read. He doesn't also has permission. He has only the permission to write and to execute, and also the group has permission to read, but no permission to write and execute, and also the others has permission to read, write, and execute. So full permission. So what we will try to see now here, we will try like to vim it, to try to vim it. Normally, we cannot vim. You see, permission denied because we said like the, 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 the user cannot write something. So he doesn't has any permission for writing. He cannot has any permission. He doesn't has any permission. So what we will do now, we'll try to we will try to exit from this one. Okay. We'll try to exit for this one. Okay. Okay. We'll try to exit to this one. WQ. Do you want to write to it? No, don't write. Okay. WQ. But do you really want to write to it? Okay. Now we are out of it because we cannot edit put in something. So if we try like to remove, we will be able to remove it. Yeah, of course, but we cannot read it normally. So okay, now here what we can do now, we will go for the second option. So the file in symbolic notation, how we can use the file mode in symbolic notation. Okay, let's clean the screen. Clean the screen. So now we have ls. We will try to remove ref f1 ls. Up now we remove this one. Mm, the chill one. Internal one we can remove. So here now what we will do. Sorry. Okay. Now here what we will do. What we will do. Okay, so let us try. We're removing it, everything. Okay, so the second method that we have what we called like mode files in symbolic notation. So here also you have to know like we have what we call like let's open the notes. So Control A. Okay, let's clean. So we have like here U that represent this symbol represent like short for user, but means the file or directory owner. And also we have like the G that's stand for group owner, and also we have like the O. It's short for others, but means word. And also we have what we call like A. It means like short for all. This is a combination of user group and others. So now if like we have something like that, u plus x, that's mean we are adding like execute permission to the user. So execute permission to the user. So if we have like u minus x, that's mean we are removing an execution permission for the user. So if we have like something plus x, x, That's mean we add the permission for the owner, group, and the word. This is equivalent to A plus X. This one is equivalent to A plus X. So it is equivalent to A plus X. So, what we will do now here? So now here we can also like we can use also like O. We can use like also we can say the orders don't have permission for read and write. The orders don't have permission for read and write. We can say also like the group and the orders, the group and the orders has permission to read and write. We can write it like this also symbol are read and write. The group has permission. The group and the order has permission to read and to write. And also we have like we can write it as also this one as also we can write it. We add for user we add exec execution permission, and also for the we make like a comma, and also like we can say the group and the orders uh, has permission to read and to execute. So we can write it like this also. Okay, let's now make it in practice. Okay, let's close this one. So in practice, so we will try to always like to create another file. So we will go with touch file one. We create the file so we can vim it and edit something. Uh, sure, I can edit something. Okay, maybe I like eating. Uh, I like eating. Okay, I can say something like that. I like eating. Okay, I can save it now. Mm, I can save it now. Okay, now from here, what I have to do? So now here also the second method, like using the symbolic notation, we can like have something look at if we go for ls L to see what is how what permissions has the file. So we seen here, like right now it is in default, and in default we have like the permission. We have the permission. We have the permission. Uh, we have the permission for the file. For like the user has permission to write, to read, write, and execute, read, write, and execute for the group, and the others has only the permission for to execute. So now here we can like take this one. We can take this one. Here now we can say like ch mode. So we can say like we will give like the we will give like the user he has permission like to read, write, and execute. He has permission. The user is stand for you. We will add the permission to read, write, and execute, and also the group is G. We will add the permission, also full permission to read, write, and execute, and also for the orders we will add the permission for read, write, and execute. So now if we enter for the in this one, we will have now full write. It means it's the same when we use this one 7777 FN. It's giving the same result, but that's why you should like see which one is more easier for you. You take the one that you think is the easiest for you. So, but for me, I think in binary and octal is more easy for me. But it depends to you. Okay. So now here, this one, if we go like for ls and we try, you see we have like full permissions, and also the color is changed. So what we will do now, from here also we will, if we want like remove all permissions, is only like using this one. We can say only like minus. So we remove the permission, minus we remove the permission, minus we remove the permission, minus we remove the permission. If we hit here enter, we go now like to list it, and we see here we don't have any permission right now, because you see the line no permission. But here now what we will do, so if we want only give like the user the permission, like the permission only to read and write, but no execution, we can say only chmod. Chmod, the user has permission, read, write, read, write, read and write, no execution. Okay, no execution, and also like read, write, but no execution. Uh, okay, we will say okay, no read, but only write, but only write. He cannot like read, so he cannot open it. He cannot open. So only write and execute. Execute. He cannot read it. Only write and execute. So also we can say like here the orders, they have full permission. So the group has full permission. So the group has full permission, read, write, and execute. And also we can say like the the others don't have any permission. They don't have any permission. So if they don't have any permission, we say minus write, read, write, and execute. So if you hit enter, uh, okay, the name of the file. Okay, now we have to accompany by the name of the file. Okay, now we see here. If we go, we see here. Now, if normally we try to open now the file, let's try F1. So we will be not able, because the permission is denied. The permission is already denied. We didn't give permission for the file. Okay. So if we try to remove it, um, for F1, so we can remove it. It's possible because we give the permission for execution, So now if you go ls, like now we remove it. So now let's try to go for the third option. I will show you how you can set up file mode with the graphical user interface. So we will exit the terminal mode, in the terminal mode, and then I will show you the graphical user interface. So, but before, what we will do, because right now we don't have any file inside, so we can check it together to see. So I will minimize this one, and if I go for home, right now we are going to see how we can set like a file permission using is another one. So what we will do here is another one. So we will create another, we will create another one. Yeah, touch another file, touch file one. So we will vim it to something. Insert neighborhood. Okay. So into WQ. Okay, now we did something, and let's go to the other side to open the home here. The home. Now we have the file here, the F1 file that we created. So what we will do, we will try to open it because we had something here. Double click, and here I love food. We see it, so we close it, and we right click only here. And after right clicking, what we have to do? So after right clicking, I have to go to come for this one properties, and from here now. You see, the name is the F1. So here you can modify even the file name if you want, and also the permissions that we have. You see here, owner is Kali, and the access right now he has a read and write permission. Uh, the group also is Kali, his access right or permission, he has read and write permission, and others he also has his access right is read only right now. So from here also we can change the write permission. So we can come here, we can give none, so that's mean none. So we can give none. Okay, none for everything. So for this one also none. For this one also, we can give none. So that's mean is 000. So no permission for anything, no permission for anything. And after here now, if we close this window, we close it definitely. And right now, uh, and right now, uh, what we can do right now, if we try to open the terminal, we go like ls. We go ls, we see the file, and now, right now, ls, we go, and the option F1, you see, now we remove all the permissions. So right now, we cannot do nothing for this one. We cannot delete it, we cannot do nothing. So after, now we will give the permission. So all permission for F1. So if you go ls, F1, now all permission. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and see you for the next coming videos. Thank you. Take care of yourself. I have to close it. I have to exit. And also I have to right click and go for power off. And now I can close it definitely. Okay.